the Isles of Collier Preserve. Stunning 2021 Ixora floor plan with 3 bedrooms and 3 full baths. This 2,163 square F home is elegant with all the quality upgrades to satisfy the most discerning buyer. Quartz countertops and backsplash, soft close cabinets and drawers, plank tile, crown molding, impact resistance windows and sliders, Wi-Fi controlled roll-down storm screens, laundry sink, and whole house surge protector are just a few of the luxuries you will enjoy. The top-of-the-line pool has a beautiful deep blue overflow spa where you can relax and enjoy the privacy of the nature preserve and view of the Cypress Waterway. The house is a short stroll to the community and #X2019's great amenities that consist of an iconic clubhouse with large fitness center, a huge resort-style pool, a lap pool, the Overlook Bar and amp, grill, tennis, pickleball and boccie ball courts, a dog park and a social director that keeps things hopping. There are over 8 miles of nature trails to experience and abundant wildlife. Kayaks and canoes are available for use to paddle to the Gulf of Mexico. Only 4 miles to Naples and #X2019, famed 5th Avenue and Beach. This is one of Naples' most desirable gated communities.